Pigeon pose with arms out. Come up onto your knees. Bend back and press your hands on the floor. Hold and breathe. Surrender your body to the moment. Looking inwards. Calming your breath. Slowly come out of the pose and finish.